This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. Okay, so we're comparing two Weber grills today, right? The Traveler B0, B9, V9H8XZ, and the Spirit 2 E-210, B077, K1 MK8N. Both propane, both Weber, but pretty different.
Yeah, definitely. The Traveler is all about portability, right? The Spirit 2 seems more like a standard backyard grill.
Exactly. The Traveler weighs 32 pounds and is designed to fold up and fit in a car trunk. The Spirit 2, though lighter at 20 pounds, is bigger overall at 48 inches x 26 inches x 57 inches. Not exactly something you're tossing in the car for a camping trip.
True, so portability is a big win for the Traveler. What about cooking power?
The Spirit 2 has two burners cranking out 18,000 BTUs. The Traveler only has one burner at 12,000 BTUs. So the Spirit 2 will probably heat up faster and give more even heat across a larger cooking surface. 360 square inches, I think.
And what's the cooking space for the Traveler?
It doesn't explicitly state the cooking surface area, but it does say it fits 15 burgers or 20 sausages. So it's smaller, definitely aimed at smaller groups or solo grilling on the go.
Makes sense. What about features?
Well, the Traveler has tool hooks, a side table, and a built-in thermometer. It can use those small 1 lb propane tanks or a larger one with an adapter. The Spirit 2 has porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which are great for searing. It's also iGrill 3 compatible if you want to get fancy.
Okay, so better grates on the Spirit 2. Anything else stand out?
The Traveler seems designed for easy setup and takedown, which is key for portability. The Spirit 2 has a fold-down side table to save space when you aren't using it. Also, the Traveler is available in different colors. The Spirit 2 only comes in black.
Right, and what about availability?
The Traveler is in stock, as of right now, while the Spirit 2 is currently unavailable. We don't know when or if this item will be back in stock.
So if you need a grill 9's time, the Traveler is the only option.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you need. Portability? Traveler. More cooking power and a bigger grilling area for more permanent setup? The Spirit 2 would be the better choice, if it were available. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.